Alright, factory washer tank. Took the pump and the level sensor out, and the pump actually fits directly into this smaller unit that I bought. It's supposed to be like a smaller washer unit, universal kit. And I found that the if you take the old pump and gasket out, the OEM one will fit right in. It's a little snug, but that's what you want so it doesn't leak. There wasn't a hole in the bottom for the level sensor. You can probably do this mod without the level sensor, but again, it's just a rubber gasket that you pull out, or you pull the sensor and the rubber gasket out from there and drill a hole. You want to be careful about how big the hole is. I have mine super snug. So you put the gasket in and then you load the sensor in, and now you got a smaller tank compared to the factory one, because of 35s it no longer fits. And it comes with a mounting bracket as well, so I'll be able to slot this over here and bolt it up somewhere up high. And it even came with some wiring, I guess, for the old pump. Maybe I'll reuse it for something else. It even comes with some washer nozzles and some T-fittings, nuts and bolts. So it's not a bad kit for $20. Oh, and even hoses. Right, here it is fully installed. I used the existing mount that it came with. It was a little tricky because where it's bolted up, right there, you can see I drilled a little hole, bolted it up. But the way it installs, you have to drop it in from the top and it's like slides over. But because of the location I picked, you can see it's in line with this bracket here. So it took a little playing around, but managed to get this to fit, and it's where it lives now, and it works perfectly. There's plenty of slack in the wiring for it. Once you get it pulled out and rent, you can reroute it all the way back up here and plug it into the factory pump right here, and it works.